Tech Bros here.
Today we're gonna be making a Tech unboxing video.
This is my Tech Deck.
Guess who it is?
It's Jaden again. Look at these awesome Tech Decks. I got more. We got more. We're gonna do some more Tech Deck videos later on in the YouTube.
Okay, but today it's gonna be my video. So these guys are just gonna be jumping on the trampoline. And we got a new trampoline, guys, because the other one just ripped in half.
Yeah,
like you couldn't even jump on it. We just ran around it.
Yeah,
and whoever fell in the middle, and we also still didn't post the crack the egg video because I don't know, we didn't have time. But probably this is gonna be posted earlier. Okay, I'm gonna start doing the video. Okay guys, so we're gonna start opening these three. This is like a monkey on the moon eating a pizza. And then this is, I don't know, it's a lion. And this is some random stuff. Okay, so you could hear the trampoline in the background because they're still jumping. Okay, so first I want to open this one because it's the coolest. So, and there we go. So, this is so hard to take out. Okay. So, in the thing, we got a Tech Deck holder to hold your skate. Okay. Let's put it on there. Even. Okay. I don't care. So, you put that on there. I don't know. Okay, it sucks. And it also ruins your grip tape. So, this one's pretty cool. It has some stickers too. Where's this? Oh, here they are. So you got some stickers. Take those off. These are some cool stickers. Okay, let's put those trash over there, and then let's put this Tech Deck right about here. Over here. I still see it, so right here. So next we're going to be opening this one, which has this thing. I don't know what it's for. So let's open this. It has another Tech Deck show thingy. Okay, there we go. So that's another one. And I don't know what these are for, but I guess they go on your skateboard to do something.
Those are called Tech Deck traders. So if you don't know how to do it, you put your fingers in it. But like this.
How does this work?
So
Okay, guys. So
see?
Oh, okay. So I know.
You gotta put two of them. Then you put your fingers on the outside.
Okay.
Or on the inside. Now look, you put your fingers like this.
Oh.
And you ollie.
Oh, that's
If you don't know how to
easy.
you don't know how to do tricks.
Okay, that's cool. That's cool. I could do some good tricks with this. Okay, I suck at tricks. So that's another Tech Deck to the. Oh wait, that wiggle. Okay, and now to the last Tech Deck. This one has a tool, 4 wheels, and stickers, and the Tech Deck, and it also has another one of these. This tool is pretty cool. It's better than like the original ones, the yellow or black ones. Okay. It already came out, so here's the tool. Oh wait, on the other one I had stickers. Where did they go? Oh, they didn't have stickers. Okay. I don't know if they had stickers. I'll check back in the video. If they did, just I don't know. And those are the wheels for it. Let's take the stickers for this. Okay, put those stickers right there and right there. We're gonna have more Tech Deck videos. Stop screaming. And so okay, so I got this tool from it. That's pretty good, pretty cool. and some wheels, and another showcase thingy, majiggy. I got a lot of trash over there. Okay, so I'm gonna be testing out the skateboards. I'm gonna be the best with this because I got these thingies. Oh, yo, I'm good at ollies. Okay, so first I'll start off with the last one. This one, it says H. I don't know what it says. It says H something, and then I'm so bad at all these. My tactic. Okay, so it's that. It's okay. I'm probably gonna change the wheels because these look way cooler than this thing. And then I have this one, which is my personal favorite. I'm probably gonna add these to this because I don't know how to ollie. Kinda do. I'm bad at it. I just did a flip on accident. Okay, they're playing Brawl Stars on the trampoline. Okay, so this is the cool tool. And this is the best one. It's not the best one, but it's just the thingies. I'm gonna probably again. Oh wait. Oh my god, I'm flying! I'm flying with the tech deck. I'm flying. Okay, guys. So this is gonna be the end of the video. Make sure to subscribe, hit that bell, and like the video. Also comment what we should do next. Also, we're gonna be getting a ramp like in a week or something. So we'll make some quality videos with that. You guys probably will see these tech decks in the other videos. This is the best one. I really like it. And so, guys, that is gonna be the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoy. So, guys, this is gonna be the end of the video.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.
I
Turn
already
the
said that.
notification bell on. Well, I'm repeating it. And make sure to buy tech decks. And make sure to comment Team Jaden for the last video.
No!
Yeah!
What?
Team Baroque.
Team Alpha, Team Alpha, Team Alpha.
Nah, Team Baroque sucks.
Okay,
That's
so
why he lost.
guys,
If you guys like El Primo, vote Team Baroque. If you guys like the bull, vote Team Jaden. Also, Baroque lost, so I don't think you should vote for him.